If you're here in Orange Beach and not actually staying on the beachfront, this is one of the beach accesses you can go to. It's Romar Beach Access, just off of the beach road. There are some rules. All items have to be collected off the beach by an hour after sunset, or they are collected and disposed of. And if you're down here during sea turtle nesting season, which is May through August, they like to ask that you use a red lensed flashlight if you're using a flashlight on the beach. The white lights tend to scare and spook the turtles, and if you see a sea turtle, keep your distance away from it. They are endangered. And if you notice when we go back out on the beach there are some tall yellow columns. Those are actually marking a dive reef that they've placed out about 100 yards or so off the beach there. And that is the Romar Beach public access. Remember to bring your things in by an hour after sunset, and also collect all your trash, put in the trash bins, and no pets are allowed on the beaches. Hope you enjoy the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And again, thank you for watching.